How do we ensure that operating engineers are the best trained professionals in North America? How can we best shape the future for the next generation of our members? In July 2016, we broke ground on the IUOE International Training and Conference Center in Crosby, Texas, just outside of Houston. A blue ribbon panel of IUOE training directors helped design this world-class training center. It will meet the needs of our members and our industry today and for future generations of operating engineers. Each and every one of our local unions will benefit from what this new center has to offer.
We had all of our training instructors come in around the country and have a seminar both on the H&P and the stationary side of our business, and they gave us any ideas that they thought that would be complementary here that we could train on the latest and greatest of equipment. And it was through their vision that we try to fulfill all their needs, and this was the result here today.
There's going to be so many different types of training here. It's going to be from welding to mechanics to pipeline training to stationary engineer training inside the buildings.
Here in Crosby, operating engineers will have access to the latest equipment and best training in cranes, heavy equipment, and pipelines.
I took a pipeline training program in 2003, and it has been it just opened my eyes to a whole new world of doing things, and I think it would benefit any operator to come take the training if they're wanting to be a part of the pipeline industry.
We also have another 25 acres back here. That'll be for pipeline. We have to cross a gully. And of course, in real life pipeline situations, we learn how to build cofferdams so we can get the equipment over. So that'll be another training mechanism.
The main building is a stunning multi-purpose venue. It will host classes and meetings for a wide range of groups.
We have a major ballroom here that's divisible into 8 different individual classrooms that can teach classes in this building. And then we have classrooms in the shop building. And then we have what we call the site structures, which are small outbuildings on the training property, where we teach classes for pipeline, general grading, and then tower crane and crawler cranes.
Stationary engineers will have hands-on training in real-world conditions in the physical plant. It allows an entire system to go offline for training while redundant systems stay online to service the facility. And there's plenty of room for trainees to spread out and study equipment from multiple angles.
Lots of space for all the students to learn. A viewing area from the control room so students can be in the control room seeing changes being made while the changes are happening out in the floor.
The new International Training and Conference Center is the latest, greatest reminder that IUOE training programs are second to none. We're proud that our members will have access to training on everything operators and stationary engineers need to become their very best. That training is what separates us from the non-union pack.
If you're not trained properly, you read about people in the newspaper a lot that had no training at all. And that's a shame when that could change, because it only takes one lift for you to be the best crane operator at the absolute worst.
So whether you're an apprentice or journeyman, operator or stationary engineer, the new training center is open for business and here for you to learn and develop your skills.
Well, they're going to come down here and they're going to see something different and new, and it's going to be something they've never seen before, and they're going to enjoy every bit of it.
If we can put out good guys out into the field, I think they're gonna be our sales tool, right? They're gonna show us what we can do, and we'll shine. And then our reputation will precede us.
The more of our members that we can get educated and trained, the stronger our union's going to be. And that means the world to me.
The International Training Center has 225 rooms for overnight stays, a top-shelf cafeteria, and amenities to help you relax after a long day of training. We hope that each and every member takes the opportunity to visit, to learn new skills, and to take your career to the next level. It's just another reason why, in Crosby, Texas, and across North America,
The future is now.
The future is now.
The future is now.
The future is now.
The future is now!